This video is sponsored by KCD Direct. If you're like me, keeping your family healthy and safe is top priority. Safety Cleanse Instant Hand Sanitizer is here to help. This product kills 99% of viruses and germs on contact while leaving your hands feeling soft and residue-free with added aloe and vitamin E. Bio-friendly Safety Cleanse is FDA and CDC approved and made right here in the USA. To purchase or for more information, hit the link below.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Go ride it. Yeah?
Like rolling.
Woo woo!
So now that we're doing some moderate trail riding, this is a good time to give you my thoughts on the bike. It's a lot of fun. It's a small platform. I'm 6 foot tall. I still feel completely comfortable on it. This bike is a 350. It's a 2-valve motor. It's not a race engine. Now with an exhaust pipe, jet kit, and a high flow filter, maybe remove the airbox lid, I can see it coming to life, but right now in stock form it does bog on the top end. For trail riding, it's a lot of fun. It has reverse, which is a huge plus. A lot of your 450s do not have reverse, and in the woods it becomes a real problem. Overall, the suspension, I could push this bike pretty hard. In the whoops, it handled it pretty well. Really had to stay on the rear end, let the rear end work. The front suspension's a little on the stiff side in my opinion. But overall, it's a really fun bike. You can put your teenager on this bike or a first-time rider and not worry about them killing themselves like on a 450 or 700. So let's get back to riding, and thanks for watching, guys.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I missed 3rd.
Leave it to Alec. Grenade of the belt. The pull of shame.